Well, yesterday this time we did have a stationary front which was just on the edge of southeast Nebraska. Well, that has more turned into a warm front. The colder of the front is off towards the east, but that is, look at that, same line of storms and showers in the same spot that we saw last time. But we have to watch out for this. There is a low pressure system on the edge of that warm front which is launching off storms and showers in Colorado, which will make its way into parts of southwest Nebraska where there is going to be a severe potential through this evening. Right now there is some shower and maybe even some thunderstorm activity moving into far southeast Nebraska near Beatrice, and then we do have a few isolated pop-up thunderstorms with some lightning near McCook. We have gotten reports that these storms in McCook have dropped about ½ an inch in 30 minutes of rainfall, so localized flooding will be a factor through tonight, especially in central Nebraska. And then those storms in Colorado moving into southwest Nebraska here in the next hour or two. Here's the look at instability. So any storm that does get going in any atmosphere right here out in Colorado has the best chance to become severe, as that is where some unstable atmosphere is, even here in parts of southeast Nebraska. So we could be seeing a few little severe storms here in the next hour or two. Here's what the threat looks like: a level 2 slight risk where those storms are in Colorado as they continue to push towards the northeast, and then most of us in a marginal risk. Tornado potential staying all the way out west towards the Panhandle. Winds 60 to 70 miles per hour with some $quarter to $half size hail as those storms continue to move. Let's take a look at the storm potential through this evening. Here's 6:30. We are going to see a little bit of intensification off in southwest Nebraska. Really, as we go into the nighttime, about 9 p.m., we are going to start to see those storms out in Colorado move into southwest Nebraska, which will become a wind and hail threat. And then really just much needed rainfall falling in McCook, North Platte, moving into Grand Island as we go into the midnight hours, and that's going to continue. Well, it's really just going to pick up, boom, move towards the northeast as we go into early Wednesday morning. Eastern and southeastern Nebraska does have a chance for some scattered isolated thunderstorms and rain showers as we go into early tomorrow morning. But we are going to see some sunshine tomorrow. It's going to be a hot one and it's going to be a muggy one. And then as we go into the afternoon and evening time, we are going to have some more storm development out towards central Nebraska, a few isolated cells and showers that will intensify as we go into your Wednesday late evening, 7 p.m. And it looks to be staying north of Lincoln near Omaha as we go into Wednesday night, and that will continue early Thursday morning. For that reason, there is a marginal risk for the whole state, mostly due to 60 to 70 mile per hour winds. Large hail looks to stay out west and tornado potential off towards Iowa. Well, let's take a look at how much rainfall we could be expecting all the way through about Thursday morning. Well, we could be seeing about ½ an inch to an inch of rainfall. Barry Log Cam showing some sun out there. Temperatures relatively warm, 70s, 80s. We're at 80 here in Lincoln. Look at this, boom. Moisture, lower 70s, making temperatures feel like the upper 80s in some spots. Winds have been calm for the last few days. 70 degrees tonight, isolated rain and storm chances. Everyone, lower 70s. Tomorrow, warming up, 93 degrees, partly sunny and some scattered storms by the evening time. Everyone, low to mid 90s for tomorrow. But with that moisture, we will be in the upper 90s, and those rain and storm chances will continue for the next few days. And then as we go into your July, we look to be in the upper 80s.